Hi, now I'm going to show you how to find rank of a student for the given set of marks. Okay, this is also an example for how to use rank function in Excel. This is actually we have here student and the respective class and marks. In this example I use only one class, and this 90 is probably you can say is total marks or percentage of marks. Okay, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to write another column to get rank of each student, okay, according to this mark. Okay, what is the rank function? Rank function will give you what is the student's particular uh, position of his mark in the given set of all the marks. Okay, for example, you have here 90. Okay, highest is 99. Then there are totally 10 students here. You are using a rank function here. Then you can use to find using this particular 99 in what is the position in this set of given marks. Okay, in all the marks of all the students here. Okay, now it is when you come to say whether it is a position, obviously you need to know position in what, in highest to least or least to highest. It is in descending order or in ascending order. Okay, if it is in descending order, 99 is the first position, and if it is in the ascending order, then 99 will become the last position, which is 10. Okay, so now according to rank in classes, it may come, it is the descending order. Who scores highest is the first position and the least is the position. Okay, the least is the rank. Okay, now we will use rank function. Okay, rank. Okay, how to do rank here? Okay, now equal to rank of who? Rank of this mark. Okay, Alan's mark in where? In all the marks. So when you type this formula, you always need to refer C2 to C11. To best practice, you may not know what is this C2 to C11. Every time you need to refer the C2 to C11, and also there is disadvantage of typing this C2 to C11 is when you move down it will become C3. When you shift the same formula, just autofill or drag the formula to the next cell for Amita's rank, it will change its position to C3 to C12. Okay, we will see that one sooner. Okay, descending. Now I want descending is to from the best mark to the least mark. What is the position? Okay, this is a second position, whereas I want to shift the same formula to Amita. What happens? Fifth position. But it is true, we don't know, because you see the C3 is fine, but it automatically return the formula C3, but the marks range is it shifted to, you can see, from C3 cells to C12 instead of its C2 to C12. So every time you shift the formula, you need to rewrite the formula to C2 to C11. Okay, in that case you must introduce dollar to do that. So that while you type dollar, it won't change the. Okay, here you can type dollar C2. So when you use the dollar sign, when you shift the formula, it won't change. It won't shift the array part. Okay, wherever you use the dollar sign, because dollar says that it's absolute reference. It is not relative reference. When you change the related position, you don't change relatively the uh, array position. It remains the same. Okay, but this also makes sometimes a bit lengthy of the formula. So what I suggest here is you just define name here. So for this range you give a name, that it will be a very good practice. Okay, what is the name? I give mocks. So when you define this name, then you no need to worry. It is very straightforward and more readable form, that you change this one to marks. So when you type marks, it automatically shows all of them in the m, starting from m, not only the function, the names whichever you already predefined. Okay, so marks, this is our defined name. Okay, automatically it highlights and shows that mark region is the marks region. Okay, and enter. And this way you can make the formulas work more correctly as well as more readable form, and we no need to worry about whether when you shift, whether it will also shift the cells in the mark column accordingly. Okay, so we go here, we will do it for all shift. You can find all the ranks of each student. Okay, and this is the Camilla is first mark in the class, so she gets the first rank, and Alan gets the second rank, and John gets the third rank, Victoria fourth rank, and so on. And Manima is the 10th rank, since she scored the least mark in the class. Okay, this is the way you can use the rank function to identify each student's rank in a class. Okay, I hope this video is helpful to you. If it is helpful to you, just click like button and also subscribe to Alan Sam channel. Okay, thank you.